Flash is back.
And some are doomed to make the worst mistakes of their lives over and over and over for all eternity. Please got your name. Don't you dare! Please got your name. Don't you dare! Shh.
Not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Any and all crime.
You're late to the party, cupcake. You're a little late, red meat sacks. Let's get this party started.
exclusive. The only people that go inside here bought this ticket. So, a couple photo ops for you. Some familiar faces inside. Yeah, just stand.
Going to die. Going to die.
Alright, anybody else? Okay. First time. Maybe want to pick up the phone.
I don't want to hurt you. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Vengeance is mine. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Vengeance is mine. Pick up the phone. I don't want to hurt you. Pick up the phone. Vengeance is mine. Pick up the phone.
Megan,
Pick up the phone.
outside. Maybe you want to put it with Megan?
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
Alright, just make sure you're outside.
Predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your 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 predicament. Times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way.
Yeah, has anybody seen? Nope. These are the actual sets from the movie. The actual sets. They did not film the movie here. They filmed it in Santa Clarita, and then they moved the sets here. And it's been a part of the tours for a few years now. It's literally the movie came out. They were unveiled to the tour goers the same day the movie was released.
It's very cool. Taking pictures with friends.